Hello everyone, super duper glad you could join us today. I want you to realize that we have been getting loads and loads of questions on HELOCs. Okay, now remember HELOCs are different than HELOs. Okay, you just say no to the HELO, all right? Because home equity loans are not what you want. You need home equity lines of credit so that you can utilize the velocity banking process to pay that mortgage off sooner. Now, if you didn't know, there are banks that can put the HELOC in what? First position. And we work with those banks. We can definitely help you out. But I want to show you the power of a HELOC that is in first position, first lien position. Watch this. Say you got a home that is valued at $200,000. All right. Now remember, with HELOCs, how they determine the amount that you can get, they actually take the value of your home and then they subtract that from what you owe, right? And then they place a percentage, the loan to value, on how much you can borrow of that difference, okay? So let's run it through, okay? The value of your home is $200,000. Let's say you just owed, $70,000 because you're using the velocity banking method with something else, another line of credit. LTV, 80%, which is $160,000. They're gonna let you in on $160,000 of the HELOC, but you want that HELOC in first position. So what the HELOC does is it swallows up that $70,000 and they'll give you a HELOC of $90,000. So that's how it goes. You want me to run it through one more time? All right, watch this. Value of the house is at $200,000. Watch this. You owe $70,000 on the mortgage. They say our LTV is 80%. Now, this can go all the way up to, I've seen it up to 95% LTV, all right? Very generous banks out there. But in this example, LTV is 80%, which is $160,000. And if you just wanted the HELOC, you can get 160 grand. But if you want that HELOC in first position, it'll be 160 grand minus the 70,000 you owe, which is $90,000. Now, what you can do with $90,000, is that another down payment on another house, guys? Is it? Right? Can you utilize this money, because it is yours, right, for a down payment on an investment property, or to pay off the credit cards if that's what you want to do, or to consolidate? Okay, now this is consolidation. Forget that other stuff. Consolidation loans. Listen, no. If you want to consolidate in your line. A consolidation line is better than a consolidation loan. Say it with me. A consolidation line is better than a consolidation loan. So that is just an overview of how the HELOC in first position can absolutely change your life. Now, I put this $800 a month there because that's how much my friend is paying. This is a rough scenario on their mortgage, but $800 a month is what they're paying on the $70,000. And if you're going to wrap it up in a HELOC, it's going to be so much less than $800 a month. Why? Why is that? Because the HELOC is simple interest and the loan is amortized. That's why. It's just beautiful, man. If you get a hold of this concept, there's no way that you cannot pay off your home in such a quick amount of time. It won't take 30 years. Ask your bank if they do the HELOC in first position. If you don't know of any banks, just let me know and we'll go ahead and connect you with some that do, all right? Listen, CreditWiz and InvestorPro.org and Velocity University, man, we are killing it in that community. We're answering questions left and right. You'll get your answers, the answers to your questions, and within 24 hours. We just want you to absolutely be on top of things. God bless, and you guys have a good one.